Hi, on behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a set of metal nibblers in metalworking. You can also do a few designs with the shears if you want to make some, if you're wanting to make something like, say you were doing some metal art and you wanted to make some shafts and you needed the little frilly strings to hang off the shafts. All you got to do is you can make fur or lion's hair, horse hair, or just, there's lots of things you can do with the shears, but the little curly things will give you an idea. And that's using the shear.